another video. Ignore how messy my room is. Actually, it's not that messy in the camera, but oh my god, my hair is so greasy. But today is Sunday the 25th and we're going to the beach again. We actually went on Friday, but we're going again because I need to get tan. Like, I can tan, but like I take a while to tan. Like me sitting out in the sun for an hour, I'm not gonna come back brown. Unfortunately, we're going to the beach again and hopefully I come back tanner, but we will see. But also this afternoon we're gonna go and feed the cows because we got some baby cows. Well, they're not really baby cows, but younger cows a few months ago, maybe, I don't know. And as it's coming into winter, they're growing this really cute winter coat, so they're kind of fluffy and they're so cute, so we want to go feed them, so I'm going to record that as well. But yeah, I'm just getting ready for beach now. I think we're going to leave soon. I don't really do anything to go to the beach. I just put on some moisturizer and skincare because, you know, it's coming off anyway. So what's the point of doing a full face of makeup? I'm actually going to do my eyebrows as well because they look horrendous. I'm getting them done tomorrow actually, so I'm really excited because I'm getting them done at like a proper like beauty place. Like my mom's hairdresser used to do my eyebrows. I'm going to get them waxed and tinted, so I'm really excited. And it's like in our local town, which I did not think there would be anything there, but surprisingly there's actually a beauty place. There's actually 2 beauty places, which is crazy if you know where I live. But we've got a little Alani, one of my favourite YouTubers, It's Me Ali, used to drink these all the time. I think she stopped because she's doing 75 hard, but yeah. And I didn't know they had them in Australia, but this is watermelon wave. The only other option was strawberry sunrise, I think, but I love watermelon, so I got this one and it was from 7-Eleven. So let's crack it open. It smells good. Okay, first taste test. It doesn't taste so much like an energy drink. You can definitely tell it's an energy drink, but I feel like there's definitely better flavours that I want to try. I didn't really hear many people talk about this one. Pretty good. We're gonna need this for a very long day, so let's get going.
Le destin a choisi que nos chemins se croisent. Une fois l'été jeté, nos vies tracées, prenons.
We have to walk all the way to the other end of the beach because the waves are too big at the other end we were at. Great.
Ça va durer une éternité. Non, je n'ai peut-être pas le physique de tous ces gars qui tournent des clips avec des belles lunettes, des dents parfaits. Oui. Mais j'ai d'autres choses à donner, du plaisir à partager. Laisse-moi te le prouver. Je veux passer du temps à t'écouter, savourer toutes les façons de t'aimer. Je veux passer du temps à t'écouter.
Okay, my camera actually died at the beach. We're home now and we're gonna go and grab the ute and feed the cows. So yeah, the beach was really nice. I'm really red because I was on Accutane for 7 months. Now I have like a sun allergy, so that's fun. I'm going to find the cows and I have ice on my chest because I'm dying. It's gonna be really pretty, so...
He rode in on a horse named Trigger from a town just east of the Mississippi River, and saw her standing there in a little blue dress. She was the prettiest girl he ever did see, but she almost wouldn't let him buy her a drink, 'cause her dad said ace high girls don't talk to cattle hands. But she took his arm and then when they shared the sweetest kiss, he brought his pipe up to his lips and said, all the stars in the eastern sky her the sweetest kiss. He said, I won't leave you again. I never could quite find a place out west. And he was right there in the morning, despite everybody's warning.
Okay, we're done. I don't really do that often like that. We kind of just do that when we're showing people around the farm, or we just did it then, just for fun. Yeah, that's kind of it. That was our day. I think I'm going to end the vlog here, so thank you guys for watching. If you have any other video ideas, make sure to comment them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!